Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows can't communicate with the device or resource on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. The first solution is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to update the network drivers. And how would you do that? So here's what you have to do. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers and then right click on the first one and select Update Driver. Right click on the second one and select Update Driver. The main driver is this one which reads MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 etc. Okay, so this is the case. And after this, other websites and channels will suggest a lot of solutions, but I will suggest only one, which is to reset the network. Why? Because resetting the network will clear the DNS cache, it will reset the IP address, it will reset WinSock, and it will perform a lot more functions. So one solution for all. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can scroll down and go to network and internet. Select advanced network settings and then select network reset and then select reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.